We are thrilled you want to be part of UDOLLI, and we welcome you and want to help you through registration. So this is a quick tutorial to show you exactly how to register for UDOLLI in any term this year. The first thing you do is go to our website, which is continuingeducation.udayton.edu. You can also get to us through a shortcut URL, which is called go.udayton.edu/udolli. So that will take you directly to the exact same page that we just were on before. The first thing you're always going to want to do when you come to this page is sign in. So click that sign in button. If you already have a username and password, please input those here. If this is your first time registering with us, you're going to click on the create new account and create your own username. We do recommend that you use your email address so that you don't forget what username you used, and use a password, retype your email twice, and then click create account. Once you have that account created, it should sign you in. If not, come back and sign in with your username and password. You'll know you're signed in because it'll change from sign in to sign out, and you'll see over here, welcome with your name. And so that way you know you're signed in. So we're Lifelong Learning UDOLLI, so you can click on Lifelong Learning up here in the top bar. You can click on Explore Lifelong Learning in this header here, and you can also scroll down to Lifelong Learning and click on this link here. Any of those will lead you to this exact same page. This is our UDOLLI landing page, and it's going to step you directly through how to register each term, first by becoming a member or renewing your membership. If you've already done that, you do not need to do that again, and then guiding you to seminars. And we also have a tutorial for registration support that we'll be posting videos to that you can refer to and where you're probably watching this video right now. So once you're signed in, you can click on that membership and registration page. This membership and registration page should take you from top to bottom straight through the registration process. So we do have a fall exclusive. So if you're watching this after the fall term has started, this has already expired. But in case, you can add a full year's membership plus all 4 term fees and your parking pass for a $400 price, which is a savings of $35 from doing that individually throughout the year. Purchasing this does allow you to go directly to registration each term without having to worry about buying your term pass. So the first step is to make sure you choose a membership or renew your membership. All you're going to do is click the correct one and add it to cart. Click that add annual membership to cart. If you are a moderator and you still need membership, so you'll still want to click this. And if you're an HR retiree from University of Dayton, you do want to go ahead and also you have to have a membership you pay for, but the University of Dayton will cover your term fees. Just know that. Of course, our term fee is open right now because we're pre-term. So if you're watching this video before registration opens, we don't have buttons here to show how to add those to cart, but it's just like we did with the add membership to cart. So just click add to cart. If you need a parking pass, please click that. Once all of those are in your cart, you can then go choose your seminars. So by going to seminars, you can choose how you would like to browse for seminars. We got a lot of options here. This browse by day and time will take you through from Monday morning all the way to Friday afternoon, just like you may be used to if you were registering in our pass system. And there's other options here as well. There's actually a tutorial video how to use each of these search features. So I refer you to that instead of watching that here and doing that over in this video. Go watch the how to browse for seminars video, and that'll help you prepare to find the best way that you like to register. I tend to like this browse all seminars A to Z. I just click on that view all seminars A to Z, and that'll take me to a listing from, again, A to Z, all of our seminars starting at the top, going to the bottom, alphabetical order. So when registration opens, you'll be able to find your seminars you want, and then there'll be an add to cart button somewhere around here, and you can go straight through this page and add everything to the cart. There is this lovely tip here, this pro tip to how to find a course quickly. Again, that's just using your Control F or your Command F if you're on a Mac and searching for a class. So if I want to take that Google class, I'm going to type Google in that bar, and it's going to take me directly on the page where Google is listed. I'll just click that add to cart and then go right back up here and type my next title of the course or a word from the title of the course that's unique. Because these are closed right now, I'm going to demonstrate how to add things to cart, courses to cart, using our special events that are currently open. Okay, I'm on the special events page where I can demonstrate how to add courses to cart. So our current registration is open, so I couldn't show you on our classes here. Our special events are open, so this is exactly how your classes will show. You can see the title of the course and the add to cart button. So anything that you're going to want to register in, just click that add to cart. You can always click on this left side of the screen to get out of that cart, or I'm going to add one more to my cart, and I can also click this X button to get out of there. Once you've added everything that you want to add to your cart, all your courses and term fee and parking and everything, you can go ahead and click on the checkout button. You're going to want to verify everything that's in your cart and each item and pricing. Please let us know how you heard about us by clicking the drop down and selecting an option and click checkout again. This will step you through the checkout process. If you already have here I'm getting a message that I've already have an order for class that's been removed. That's great. It'll prevent you from registering twice for a class. And then you can move on as long as everything else is correct. So click checkout. On checkout, you're going to verify your information to verify that all your information is correct on this first screen. When you're sure everything's correct, click next. This is the page where you will put a promo code in if you have one. If not, you'll click next. There's only one payment method, credit or debit card. So again, just click next. This next screen is our billing information. It should be the same, hopefully, as your address. If not, just edit that and make sure that you put the correct billing information for yourself. Once everything's correct on that, click the next button. You're going to have one final screen to confirm what you're about to purchase. Verify your billing and payment information and click purchase. On the screen, you're going to go ahead and enter your card number, expiration date, and credit card code. Click that pay button once that's all done, and you're going to get this screen where it confirms your payment and how much you paid. And then you can check and confirm everything through your My Account as we've already demonstrated. That's it for our tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at UDOLLI at udayton.edu or at 937-229-2605. Thanks so much. We look forward to seeing you in class.